For today's video mga kabyokonaras, narito ang latest sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Pangbaton ng Miss Eco International 2025, Alexie May Brooks, humarap sa mga miyembro ng media and press conference para sa kanyang send-off party. Lalaban si Alexie sa bansang Egypt on April 19, kung saan susubukang makuha uli at maibalik sa Pilipinas ang corona. Matatanda ang 2 beses ang Pilipinas na nawagi sa prestihiyosong patimpalang na si Miss Cynthia Tumalia at Kathleen Patos. Ang send-off party ni Miss Alexie ay dinaluhan ng kanyang 2 kaibigan na sina Miss Supranational 2025 Tara Valencia at Mr. Justin Ong, Mr. Pilipinas International 2024. Narito ang ilang kaganapan ating panoorin.
Adjustments that you did in preparation for this one, because we know that the Alexie that we love has always been a performer. But are there any tweaks specific to Miss Eco International that you made for yourself just because you feel like this is what this competition needs? This is the Alexie that I have to show.
Yes, of course, at OEC Waters, when I joined Service Philippines by OEC Focus on Advancing the Environment, which is the same thing I'm doing right now. It's like empowering women to take care of our environment. And of course, I think when it comes to runway pasarela, it's a bit so much softer right now. I'm trying to practice a bit longer. And physically, my body, I try to make it more smoother than someone. But I really prepare so much for this, and I hope that it works out for me.
To work out. Maybe I can have you sit down already. Alright, maybe you stay right here. Alexie Brooks, so we're a little bit more comfortable because
A lot of people who shape who I am right now. A lot of things that happened, especially when my grandma passed away. But only then I realized that this is something that I want to continue, because this is something that's supposed to be for me doing. So when it comes to preparation, as a girl, I was dreaming about, can I do this? And given the fact that I'm not only representing where I came from, but because my country, the Philippines, where I have all the Filipinos watching over me, and I don't want to disappoint them. It's the activity, you want to give out my best. So when it comes to pasarela preparation, I started so early and also trying to make sure that I improve a lot on my walking skills. For Q&A, I trained a lot also with the coaches who help me with the journey. I try to stay at Alexie May Brooks, Philippines!
Mga byokoneras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.